My name is Tupua Productions, and I have a company called Tupua Productions, a Polynesian entertainment company. I have a total of 6 kids in various range. The oldest is 24, and then it goes all the way down to 8. She's been doing that since she was basically 2 years old. They're bred into it.
Go, baby, go, red hard! Yeah! He's it!
We also have a Polynesian dance group called Tupua. Before then it was called Tiare. It was my grandfather's group, and my dad took it over and called it Tupua, which is his middle name and is my brother's name now.
We've been doing this over 30 years. Doing it here at Mater Dei, 5 years.
So this is our pahu drum. How it works is every rope is actually entwined with this, and these sticks are twisted to carry the rhythm of the drum. Every time you twist the sticks around, it actually makes a deeper boom. So it has more bass. The smaller ones, they actually have a deeper oomph as opposed to the bigger ones. And then that tin can over there that my dad plays is called an apomasi can. One thing that Samoan culture is about family, and I know Mater Dei is about family as well, so it just all blends in together. I think it's just a good rhythm. I mean, football is the team sport, and you just need to get that rhythm. So we give the boys the rhythm and the bass to just keep going. You see them as we playing, all their heads are just like doom, 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 da da doom. It's cool. And it makes you, as well as a drummer, want to hit that drum as hard as you can.
All right, awesome victory. Off to the next one.